So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can track event ticket sales from Razorpay. So what is going to happen is whenever someone purchases a ticket of your competition or an event from Razorpay, automatically these ticket sales will be added into your Google Sheets within seconds and in real time. And yes, this can be possible. You just have to create this simple automation, and today you can create it for free. So if you are an existing user like me, you will find how to open this. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of ticket sales for free into your Google Sheets. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check out this discount coupon code to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. Alright, so first try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, don't forget that this discount coupon code can give you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So yes, we are on the workflow builder, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action, and this trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Razorpay. So let's search for Razorpay and select it. For the event, select it as payment captured and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL. Copy this and open your Razorpay dashboard. From the left hand of the side, go on this developers, and then you have to go towards this webhooks and then add new webhooks. For the webhook URL, just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. For the active event, select it as payment captured. The rest two are not important, leave it as blank and click on this create webhook. Once you're going to click on this create webhook, your webhook will be added in Razorpay, and now you have to open your workflow and it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, you have to do a test submission. For that, you have to purchase this ticket. Fill in this form first and then click on this pay 500. Once we're going to click on this pay 500, it is going to ask for the payment method. So I'm just going to select it as UPI. I'm just going to enter the UPI ID right over here and click on this verify and pay. Once I'm going to click on this verify and pay, it is saying open your Razorpay app and complete the payment. So let's complete this payment. Once we're going to complete this payment, yes, you can see payment successful, and we have successfully purchased the ticket for this event. And after purchasing this ticket, let's open our workflow, and you're going to see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response for the same. Now we have to add these details in our Google Sheets, but now over here you have to keep in mind few things. First of all, we have added the webhook URL in our Razorpay account, not on a particular page. So if you want to create this automation only for a particular page, like if you only want to create this automation for photography competition, then you have to click on this add new action step and add a filter condition inside this workflow. You have to select the event as filter values, click on this connect, choose a label using which you want to add the filter value. First of all, you can use amount as your label. Otherwise, you can also add a field right over here of photography competition ticket, something like this, and keep the label according to that, and then you can add the filter value right over here. I don't want to add any filter condition because I directly want to add the details in my Google Sheets. If you want to add the filter condition, you can add it like this. Now in order to create the connection between Google Sheets, for that click on this add new action step and then search for Google Sheets and select it right over here. For the event, you have to select it as add new row and then click on this connect. And once you're going to click on this connect, you're going to see two options: add a new connection or select an existing connection. If you are an existing user and you've already created connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection, and after selecting the Gmail account, you have to give Pabbly all the permissions and click on this allow, and your Google Sheets will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So the name of the sheet is sheet 2 and the spreadsheet is ticket sales from Razorpay. Alright, so I'm just going to select the same spreadsheet and then the sheet right over here, and then one by one I'm just going to enter the details. But we are not going to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we're just going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map the detail, put a slash and then you have to search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. After mapping all of these details, click on the save and send test request and you're going to see we have received the positive response. So let's open our Google Sheets and the details have been added in our Google Sheets. Not only for this, now let's say someone purchases this ticket once again. So let's purchase this ticket as new user now, and automatically the details will be added in Google Sheets without any manual intervention. I'm just going to show you how this automation is going to work and run. So as you can see that I purchased this ticket, I selected the payment method as UPI. I entered the UPI ID. Now I'm just going to confirm this payment and purchase this ticket as new user. Now let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details have been added without any manual intervention. So yes, this is the amazing automation which we created right now. Go and try this for your own business too. If you have any doubts, the workflow URL is attached. Apart from this, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.